Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will solve bond, NPV and IRR in the Excel. So let's start. Here we can see the bond. For example, par value 1000 and 14 is the interest rate, IRR of maturity 20 and record return is 12. So we have to find the bond value, which is the we have to use the present value, which is PV function equal PV and the interest rate. So the rate is 12 record rate and the end per year is 20 and the payment is per value multiplied by the rate of coupon rate, interest rate, and the future value is minus the per value and then 0. We have to close the bracket and we will got that 942.06 is the bond. Now in PV, so here we can see that for example the rate is written 10% and years we can see 0 1 2 3 4 and project year. To find NPV we have to put NPV function equal NPV function and the first bracket, and now we can see the rate. So rate is 10% and value 1, so the value is okay, and close the bracket and the minus the initial investment. So the initial investment were 42,000 and we have to enter. So we will fund, and now we have to click on another. So we can see in this, we can solve in the same way. So just clicking on the rate and then the value 1 to value last, and then close the bracket and then minus the initial investment. We have find the value 16,569. Now we will solve the IRR. Okay, so the IRR is very simple. It's called the internal rate of return. So to find this we have to click equal, then IRR function, then first bracket, then we can see the values. So values is 0 to last. Okay, so just and then close the bracket. We have to click on enter right now. So if we see that the value will be before to v0, so that's, so we have to select all the values here. You can see if we just select all the value and press enter, then we will find same. Just we have to use the IRR function, then first bracket, then we have to select all the values and then press enter, then we will find the IRR.